Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. Here I just quickly go through how this course content looks like in the Udemy. So here you can see first introduction, then we will be talking about version control system and Git installation, then Git configuration local and global, then Git architecture like what are Git flow like working area, stage area, and the commit area. Then it's a Git local and remote repository. How do you create, how you can connect your local repository to remote repository. So this will be a very big lecture because here we are discussing in very advanced level commands of Git and advanced level options in the GitHub. So this is 4 hours, 8 minutes. And then we are having the Git commands. In the Git commands, we will be discussing about the Git commands which are used for the local repository. Then Git branches. Again, this is in very detailed, very advanced level. And GitHub Codespaces. So how you can create the code directly on the GitHub Codespaces. So that is basically discussed here. So this is overall around 11 hours course where I tried my best to cover each and every topic of Git and GitHub, which is commonly used in our real-time or day-to-day life. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this series. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.